Assalamu alaikum my dear students, how are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEB Sobi School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 5. So my dear student, let us start our class. Today is our lecture number 23 of annual term. My dear student, today is our lecture number 23 of annual term and today's topic is short question. So let us start our class. Dear student, today I shall give you 30 short question and this 30 short question is enough for your annual term. You must memorize this and understood very carefully. Okay, so first of all, question number 1. The price of 4 green coconuts is 160 taka. What is the price of 5 green coconuts? My dear student, we use here unitary method. Here you notice price of 4 green coconuts is 160 taka. From this information we find out price of 1 green coconut is what. So we divide this 160 by 4. 4 4s are 16 and this 0 is here. So 40. 40 is the price of 1 green coconut. But the question asks you to find out 5 green coconuts. So we need to multiply 5 with this 40. That means 5 zeros are 0, 5 4s are 20. So 200 taka. We write here 200 taka. I hope you have understood. I repeat, price of 4 green coconuts is 160 taka. So how can we find out the price of 1 coconut? We divide this 160 by 4. 160 divided by 4 and we get 40. So 40 is the price of 1 green coconut. Then we multiply 5 with this 40 to find out the price of 5 green coconut. Now 5 zeros are 0, 5 4s are 20. This is 200 taka is the answer. Next, question number 2. Convert 57 by 10 into mixed fraction. Dear student, do you know how many fractions are there? There are 3 types of fraction. One is proper fraction, another is improper fraction, and the last one is mixed fraction. So what is proper fraction? Proper fraction means numerator and denominator. Numerator is smaller than denominator. This is proper fraction. And 5 by 3. That means its numerator is greater than denominator. It is improper fraction. And one whole number and one proper fraction is called mixed fraction. My dear student, here 57 by 10 is improper fraction. We want to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. How can? At first we divide this 57 by 10 and in 57 10 goes in 5 times. 5 10s are 50 and remainder 7. So 5 is the whole number here and denominator is 10 and remainder will be the numerator. So 5 into 7 by 10 is the required answer. 5 by 7 by 10 is the required mixed fraction. I hope you have understood. Next, question number 3. Question number 3 is 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 equal to what? Notice 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 equal to what? So in order to do subtraction, at first we need to find out the LCM of denominators. Here denominators are 4 and 2. So I need to find out the LCM. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4. 4 is the LCM. Now we divide this LCM by the denominator of the first fraction and it will be 4 divided by 4 means 1. 1 is multiplied with 3, that means 3 1s are 3 minus. We divide 4 by 2 and we get 2. 2 1s are 2. Now 2 minus 3, 2 is subtracted from 3 and we get 1. So 1 by 4 is the answer. I hope you have understood. Now my dear student, question number 4. Please notice 1 into 3 by 4 multiplied with 1. When we multiply any number by 1, then we get that number. Suppose 100 ones are 100. Suppose 9999 by 1, then it will be 9999 by 1. So here you notice 1 into 3 by 4 multiply 1, then we get 1 into 3 by 4. 1 into 3 by 4. I hope you have understood. Now question number 5. Convert 1 by 4 into percentage. My dear student, we know percentage is a fraction whose denominator is always 100, but here denominator is 4. We want to make this 4 as 100. So first of all we write this fraction 1 by 4. So how can we make denominator 100? 4 here. So we divide we multiply 4 with 25 and we get 100, and also multiply this 25 in numerator section. So when we multiply denominator, you must multiply that number with the numerator. So 25 ones are 25 and 25 fours are 100, and we know that percentage mean 1 by 100. So 1 by 100 means this percentage, and this 25 is written here. So 25% is the required answer. I hope you have understood. Next, question number 6. Write down the formula of annual interest. Write down the formula of annual interest. How can? Please notice the formula of annual interest is annual interest principal multiply rate of interest divided by 100. Dear student, when annual interest, then you need not to write here time, but if you write time, then it's okay. But you can neglect time when you find out annual interest. But when you write simple interest, in that case you must write principal multiply rate of interest multiply time. Okay. So annual, if you write time here, then it will be completely okay. But if you neglect, then no problem. Okay. So annual interest equal to principal multiply rate of interest divided by 100. I hope you have understood. Then annual interest equal to here 100, here principal multiply rate of interest. I hope you have understood. Again, 7 number. Convert 29% into general fraction. Here the required percentage is 29%, and we know percent means 1 by 100. So it is written as 29 by 100. This is the general fraction of this percentage. That means 29 by 100. I hope you have understood. Question number 8. An angle of a rhombus is 75 degree. How many degrees is the opposite angle of that rhombus? My dear student, first of all we draw a rhombus. Please notice this is rhombus. Okay, it's all sides equal and all sides equal, no angle, right angle. My dear student, notice in rhombus opposite sides are equal. This one and this one equal. On the other hand, this one and this one are equal. If this is 70 degree, and it must be 70 degree. Suppose it 110 degree, it must be 110 degree. So here one angle is 75 degree. So another angle must be which is opposite of that angle, then that angle must be 75 degree. Okay, what is percentage? I have already given this definition. A ratio expressed as a fraction of 100 is called a percentage. A ratio expressed as a fraction of 100 is called percentage. 10 number. What is profit or loss calculated? What is profit and loss calculated? Profit or loss calculated on cost price. Calculated on cost price. Okay, next 11 number. Which one is larger, 1 by 3 or 1 by 5? 1 by 4. My dear student, please notice this is a pizza. Okay, I like it very much. Okay, here 1 by 3 means we divide it into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. Okay, done. And same pizza we divide it into 4 parts. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. At first we divide the pizza into 3 parts, and same pizza we divide into 4 parts. Which one will be larger? We can easily understand this one will be larger. So 1 by 3 is larger than 1 by 4. So write here 1 by 3. The length of a side of a square is 4 centimeter. What is the area? And we know area of the square is side multiply side. Here on side is 4, so another is also 4. So 4 multiply 4 equal to 16. But you need not write only 16. You write 16 square centimeter. So here you write 16 square centimeter. Then 13 number, 325 multiplied by 100. My dear student, it is so easy multiplication. We just do here easy multiplication procedure. Okay, 325 multiply 100. So at first we multiply 325 with 1 and we get 325, and 2 zeros left. This 2 zero is written here. So 32,500 is the answer. Okay. 14 number, what kind of angle at the corner of your math book? My dear students, suppose this is your math book, and what will be the angle of this corner point? It must be, we know that the math book of yours is in rectangular shape, and we know that in rectangle there are 4 right angles. So in this section that angle will be right angle. So here you write right angle, or you can also write 90 degree. Okay. 15 number, express 5 kilometer into centimeter. 5 kilometer into centimeter. My dear student, here 5 kilometer. So at first we convert this 5 kilometer into meter. So 5 into 1000 meter. Then it will be 5000 meter, and we also know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So we multiply this 5000 with 100, and now centimeter. So 5 ones are 5. There are 5 zeros left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 lakh centimeter. If we convert 5 kilometer into centimeter, then we get 5 lakh. Now write here 5 cm. 16 number question, 15% of 300 taka equal to what? It's so easy. Of means multiplication sign. 15% of 300. 15% means 15 by 100. Of means multiplication, and here 300. We know that every number has a denominator which is 1. So now we card this 300 by 100. 100 ones are 100 and 300s are 300. Now as a denominator there is 1 with 1, so it is negligible, and numerator 15 with 3. Then 15 multiply 3, that means 45. So 45 is the required answer, and we write 45. Okay. Then 17 number question. Anika took 2 by 3 part of a bread, and Ira took 2 by 5 part of that bread. Who took more? Similar as question number 11. Suppose this is a bread. Okay. At first we divide it into 3 parts. Okay. Then we divide it into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now Anika took 2 by 3 parts. That means Anika took this part, and Ira took these 2 parts. So which one is larger? Must be this one, and this one is taken by Anika. So who took more? The answer will be Anika. Okay. Then Mr. Shofik bought 1 by 4 meter cloth of 25 taka. What is the cost of 1 meter cloth? So 1 by 4 meter cloth price is 25 taka. So 1 meter cloth is, we divide this 25 by 1 by 4 and we get the answer 25 multiply 4 by 1. Now we do multiplication, that means 100. So 100 taka. I hope you have understood. Now question number 19. The price of 8 eggs is 72 taka. What is the price of an egg? What is the price of an egg? So 8 eggs price is 72 taka. 8 eggs price is 72 taka. So 1 egg price is, we divide this 72 by 8 and we know that 8 9s are 72. So the price of 1 egg is 9 taka. Price of 1 egg is 9 taka. So easy math. Okay. Then question number 20. 31 minus 3 multiply 2 plus 25. Notice 31 minus 3 multiply 2 plus 25. So according to the rules of BODMAS, we know that at first we do the work of bracket. So here 3 with 2, that means 3 on 31 minus 3 2s are 6 plus 25. Now we do the addition first. 5 on 6, 3 to 5 minus 6. So if we subtract 6 from 56, then we get 50 and this is the answer. Okay. Now 21 number question. Write down the reciprocal fraction of 5 by 9. My dear student, reciprocal means opposite. Suppose 2 by 3 is a fraction. Its reciprocal fraction is 3 by 2. That means numerator will be denominator and denominator will be numerator. I repeat, reciprocal means opposite. That means we convert numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator. So 2 by 3, its reciprocal fraction is 3 by 2. Another one, 3 by 5. So its reciprocal fraction is 5 by 3. Here the required fraction is 5 by 9. 5 by 9. So what is the reciprocal fraction? 9 by 5. Here we write 9 by 5 and it is the answer. 22 number question. What is profit? What is profit? My dear student, a product has two prices. One is cost price and another one is selling price. When selling price is greater than the cost price, then what will be happen? Profit will be happen. But when selling price is smaller than cost price, then what will be happen? Loss will be happen. So what is profit? The answer is, if a selling price is more than its cost price, then it is called profit. Then it is called profit. I repeat, if a selling price is more than its cost price, then it is called profit. Suppose one product cost price equal to 100 taka. Okay, that product is sell at 120 taka. That means selling price 120 taka. So here what will happen? Here profit will happen because selling price is more than cost price. And what is the profit? Profit is 20 taka because we subtract 100 from 120. So profit is 20 taka. I hope you have understood. Then 23 number question. What is loss? Opposite of profit. If a selling price is less than its cost price, then it is called loss. So suppose cost price is 100 taka and this time selling price is 80 taka. So what will be happen? Here we know when selling price is less than cost price, then loss will be happen. So how many taka loss? 100 minus 80, that means 20 taka loss. I hope you have understood. 24 number question. Notice, how many right angles are there in a rectangle? This is a rectangle. And how many right angles? 1, 2, 3, 4. And we know from the definition, every angle is right angle. So it has 4 right angles. So here write 4 right angles. Okay, 25 number questions. We have already done such type of math in our previous short question. So here 40% of 40 taka. 40% of 40 taka. Of means multiplication and this 40% means 40 by 100. Of means multiply and 40 is here. So first of all, we cut this 140 by 10. 4 tens are 40 and 10 tens are 100. Now we cut this 40 and 10. 10 ones are 10 and 4 tens are 40. Now numerator 4 and 4 and denominator 1. So we multiply 4 with 4 and we take it 6. 16. So 16 taka is the answer. Okay. Next, question number 26. What is the largest chord of a circle? My dear student, the largest chord of a circle is called diameter. What? Diameter. Please notice the figure. This is a circle. This is its center. My dear student, when a line join any 2 points of a circle, that is called chord. Suppose this one and this one, a line join 2 points of the circle, that means this point, and this is chord. But when this chord passes through the center, then this is called diameter. This is called diameter. It is the largest chord. It is the largest chord. That means largest chord name is diameter. 27. What will be the result if 1500 kg rice is expressed in quintal, and we know that 1 quintal equal to 100 kg. So when we divide this 1500 kg by 100, then we get what? We get 15 quintal. I repeat, 1 quintal equal to 100 kg. So now we divide this 1500 kg by 100 and we get 15 quintals. Okay. 28 number question. So easy math. Here can walk 3 km per hour. Per hour means in 1 hour. In 1 hour, here can walk 3 kilometers. How many meters can she walk? My dear student, how many meters can she walk in 2 hours? The question will be how many kilometers? How many kilometers can she walk in 2 hours? The question will be, here can walk 3 kilometers per hour. How many kilometers can she walk in 2 hours? So in 1 kilometer here walks 3 kilometers. So in 2 kilometers here walks 3 multiplied 2, that means 3 2s are 6 kilometers. I hope you have understood. The answer will be 6 kilometer. Okay. Next, 29 number question. The price of 4 pence is 44 taka. What is the price of 6 pence? I repeat, price of 4 pence is 44 taka. What is the price of 6 pence? So at first we find out the price of 1 pen. How can we divide this 44 by 4 and we get 11. 11 is the price of 1 pen. And what is the price of 6 pence? We just multiply this 6 with 11 and we get 11 on 6 on the 6, 6 on the 6. So 66 taka is the answer of 6 pen. And our last question, that means 30th number question. Here 14 by 5 minus 9 by 5. 5 is the LCM. Now here 14 minus 9. If we subtract 9 from 14, then we get 5. 5 by 5. Now we divide 5 by 5, we get 1. So 1 is the answer. 1 is the answer. My dear student, this is our today's short question. This is our today's short question. So you must read this very carefully, and this is very very important for your annual examination, and this 30 short question is enough for your annual term examination. You must memorize and understand this very carefully. So my dear student, there is no SW today. Keep practicing at home. Avoid by your parents. See you soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum.